Next one is red and yellow soil. Red and yellow soil, first of all, let's get it clear about the reason of its red and yellow color. It is red because of the presence of ferric oxide. This soil is very much rich in ferric oxide. One more thing, when it is hydrated it becomes yellow, and when it is anhydrated it becomes red. Means when जब इस मिट्टी में पानी की मात्रा अधिक होती है तो ये येलो एपियर्स करता है, और जब इसमें पानी की मात्रा कम होती है तो ये रेड एपियर्स करता है. इट्स अ केमिकल रिएक्शन ओनली. नेक्स्ट वन, वेयर इट इज फाउंड एंड हाउ इट इज फाउंड. डेवलप्स ऑन क्रिस्टलाइन इग्नियस रॉक्स. ये इग्नियस रॉक्स के वेदरिंग से बनती है इन एरियाज ऑफ लो रेनफॉल. किस एरिया में? लो रेनफॉल में. In the eastern and southern parts of the Deccan Plateau. Eastern and southern parts of the Deccan Plateau. तो Deccan Plateau के eastern and southern parts को हम लोग नोट कर लेंगे, याद कर लेंगे, उस states को डिटरमाइन करेंगे और उसको लोकेट करना, ये ध्यान रखेंगे. And develops a reddish color due to the diffusion of iron in crystalline and metamorphic rocks. So you have to remember this also. So color is due to the presence of ferric oxide, and it is found in low rainfall areas and in the areas of eastern and southern parts of the Deccan Plateau. And its look yellow when it occurs in hydrated form, means when the water content is more than it appears yellow, and it is porous in nature and deficient. Remember, this soil is deficient in which substances? So deficient in lime, phosphate, manganese, nitrogen, humus and potash. You have to remember. One more question may be asked. Red and yellow soil is deficient in which matters? So you have to write about the lime, phosphate, manganese, nitrogen, humus and potash. This soil is also rich as it is having loose gravel particles and highly coarse materials. Means इसमें बड़े बड़े नूडल्स पाए जाएंगे कंकड़ के, वो ऐसे यहाँ पे होंगे. हाईली कोर्स मटेरियल, यानी रफ में नूडल्स नहीं कहें इसको आप, लेकिन मिट्टी के जो बहुत बारीक कण टाइप के नहीं होंगे, ये थोड़े बड़े कण इसमें पाए जाते हैं. इसीलिए यहाँ पे लिखा गया है लूज ग्रेवल्स एंड हाईली कोर्स मटेरियल्स. सो इट इज ऑल अबाउट द रेड एंड येलो सॉइल. वन मोर थिंग यू हैव टू रिमेंबर, दिस सॉइल is used for the purpose of agriculture with the use of fertilizers, irrigation and pesticides are also required to get good crops in this particular soil. Different kinds of rabi and kharif crop can be grown in this particular soil. There is nothing specific, but it is comparatively less fertile with the alluvial soil. So next, what we will learn? We will learn about the black soil. Black soil. Next soil is black soil. Black soil, it is very much known to everyone. Why it is called black? Because it is very much black in its texture, means in color. Why it is black? Because it is formed due to the volcanic eruption. Well, there was a volcanic eruption when magma comes out and it cools down on the surface and it becomes black in color. So it is also called volcanic soil or lava soil, and also called cotton soil. Why it is called cotton soil? Cotton soil because it is best suited for cotton. Means for the cultivation of cotton, this soil is best suited. But it doesn't mean that only cotton can grow in this soil. Apart from cotton, wheat, tobacco, oilseed, sugarcane are also grown in this particular soil. And one more properties regarding the black soil. It swells during the monsoon when more and more water mixed with the soil, it swells out. Means कि पानी इसमें जब रिटेन करनी शुरू करती है ये चिपचिपी हो जाती है. तो with the first shower of rain, the soil must be shown the seed. उसी समय इसमें फार्मिंग शुरू हो जानी चाहिए, नहीं तो ये चिपचिपी हो जाती है, फिर इसमें सीडलिंग करनी बहुत कठिन होती है. और ड्यूरिंग दी dry weather conditions, when there is less amount of rainfall, white cracks are also developed in the soil. Question can be asked, which soil develops cracks during the dry season and swells during the monsoon season? Remember, it is the black soil. And what are the areas where it is found? It is found in the parts of Deccan Tract, means areas of Maharashtra, Gujarat, MP, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. In those areas, cotton is one of the major chief crops that is grown in this black soil, and as well as tobacco also grown in some parts of the Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. So it is all about the black soil. You have to remember about the black soil. It is also called regular soil, cotton soil, lava soil, volcanic soil due to its volcanic origin. Then after it swells during the rainfall and just shrinks during the dry season, so it appears cracks, and it is found in the areas of Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. The area of Deccan Tract, remember, area of Deccan Tract. And these are the major crops that are grown in black soil: cotton, wheat, tobacco, oilseed, sugarcane. These are the major crops. So next we will discuss about the next category of soil, that is called which soil? It is called laterite soil.